Hi everyone. In the last video, I said that I will make another video where I'm going to talk about where beliefs come from, how beliefs are formed, and 3 ideas on what we can do to change them. But first of all, let me welcome you to Growing Resiliency Kids. My name is Anna, and I have a huge passion to help children build their confidence so that they can create courage, move through fear, step outside their comfort zone, and reach their fullest potential. Do the things that makes them happy, the things that they love. Now, what do you think that stops people from doing what they love? What it is? It is their beliefs. As I said in the last video, we have two types of beliefs. We have supportive beliefs and limiting beliefs. Supportive beliefs support us. Supportive beliefs are based on faith. Supportive beliefs are based on possibilities. Limiting beliefs stops us. Limiting beliefs are based on fear. Limiting beliefs keeps us in comfort zone, keeps us safe, away from where the judgment, the criticism, the failure, the hurt it is. Now, where beliefs come from? Most of our core beliefs come from our childhood. I said most of our beliefs because as we get older and we start to attend school, meet new people, have new friends, go to work and other people, our belief system gets influenced by a whole new environment and new set of people. Now, how belief systems are formed? As I said, they come from childhood, yeah? Now, belief system can be formed in 3 ways. The first way that belief system can be formed is when one person teaches another person how to do things. So it is consciously taught belief. Belief system exists based on nationality, on gender, religion, social status, political background, and so on. Every culture has beliefs that they teach. Every religion has beliefs that they teach. Every family has beliefs that they teach. So the first way that beliefs are formed is consciously taught. When one person teaches another person how to do things, when our parents teaches us how to ride a bicycle, how to cook, pasta in a certain way. Now, beliefs, the second way that beliefs can be formed is through observation. We pick up beliefs based on what we see around us. So, for example, a child who sees his mother exercise to stay healthy might develop a belief that staying physical fit, it is important. Or a child who sees his mother or his father judging another person because of his race might develop a belief that all people of that race are not worthy. So we have consciously taught and beliefs that we pick up. The third way that beliefs can be developed is through life experiences or events. Event-based beliefs are developed both at the conscious level and the subconscious level. So, for example, a child who it is teased at school because of her clothes might develop a belief that you need to wear certain clothes to fit in. To wear certain clothes, it is important to fit in. So consciously taught, we pick up beliefs, and also beliefs can be formed based on what we have experienced in the past. These are the 3 ways that beliefs are formed. Now, if we want to have more happy life, if we want to change something in our lives, but we are not doing anything, we need to change our beliefs, because our beliefs keeps us back, right? So how do we do that? I'm going to share with you 3 ideas on what we can do to change our beliefs. So the first thing that we need to do is to notice what it is that is limiting us. So for example, I will say, I want to change my job. I want to get another job. But I have a belief that it is too risky, or I'm not smart enough. There are other people better than me. Yeah? The second thing that we can do is to decide to change that belief. We cannot do anything in our life if we keep that limiting belief in our mind. And then we need to take action, of course. We need to do what we think that it is not possible. This is the only way that we can change a belief. So, for example, if you believe you are not good at dancing, swimming, stop thinking this way and start to learn, start to practice to change that belief. We need to start to reinforce those negative beliefs, limiting beliefs. The more we keep those limiting beliefs about ourselves, about our possibilities, the bigger they grow. So the next time when you decide to do something, the harder it's going to be. Another idea on how we can change our beliefs is to, because we have a lot of negative beliefs, a lot of limiting beliefs, is to start with one. Pick one limiting belief that you have and think of some evidence that proves that that belief, it is a false belief. So for example, you say, I want to change that, I want to get a promotion, but I need a master's degree to get that promotion. Stop and think. When you notice that you have this belief, think, did you ever heard or know someone that doesn't have a master's degree but got a promotion? So when you say, I'm too young to start a business, or I'm too old to start a business, notice that limiting belief and really spend some time thinking about this until you know that your limiting beliefs are not based on reality. So if someone has the same fears like you, and still did something, this means that it's not true. There are possibilities to change something. The third idea that I want to share with you, which is very, very, very important, because I did experience this myself. This is what I needed to change my life. It was to change my self-image. It was to change the way I see myself. So change the way you see yourself. Let go the old beliefs about yourself. Let go the all past experiences, all the failures. The way you see yourself, what you believe about yourself, is either going to support you or is going to stop you doing the things that you love. Live that happy life that you really want, you are dreaming of. So stop saying, stop repeating, I can't do this, I can't do that, I am too shy, I am not smart enough, I need more money, I need this, I need that. Stop limiting yourself with the habit of thinking in a negative way, in a way that it is limiting you. I hope that you can understand how important beliefs are. And as I said at the beginning, beliefs are formed at a very young age. Now that we know this, let's use it wisely with our children. Let's help our children to develop positive beliefs about every aspect of their lives. Let's teach our children how to live their life in possibilities, not in fear. Let's help our children to have big dreams and go after their dreams with confidence, not with fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of mistakes. Let's teach them to control their emotions so that they can be strong mentally when they go after the things that they want, and the thing that sometimes they might have ups and downs. So let's teach them to be resilient. Let's teach them to not let fear, failure, mistakes to stay in their way, of reaching their fullest potential and live a happy, fulfilled life. If you like this video, and if you found this video beneficial to you and to your family, please share it around with anyone who can benefit. So this way we can help more parents to support their children in whatever they want to do. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.